As I reflect on my journey with Mahindra's over the last 37 years, which is more than half the age of the company and much more than half of my life so far, I often feel that my identity has merged with the Mahindra identity. And the core purpose and core values of the Mahindra Group have become an integral part of my life. I thought the best way to convey my thoughts would be to share a story which reflects one of the elements of our core values, professionalism. A story that led me to join Mahindra's 37 years ago. Immediately after I passed my chartered accountancy examination in 1973, and as a rank holder amongst the top 10, I got several interview calls from large and reputed companies. I ultimately zeroed in on two companies. One was Mahindra & Mahindra and one other which I will not name, but quite reputed. The salary offered by Mahindra was rupees 1,000 per month, and the offer by the unnamed company was rupees 1,200, 1,200 rupees per month. Belonging to a low middle class income family, it was very difficult to ignore the second offer, which was 20% higher. When I discussed the dilemma with my father, he asked me to bring the annual reports, corporate literature, and brochures of the two companies. I kept on wondering as to what my father, who had just studied up to first year science, would look at it, which I could not do myself with my sound professional knowledge. After a quick perusal of the annual reports and brochures, my father just turned to the pages with the list of directors and top management team and said to me, "Look at the top management team at Mahindra's. Mr. Keshub Mahindra is from Punjab, and yet look at his team below. Mr. I. Chatterjee from Bengal, Mr. B.R. Sule, a Maharashtrian, Mr. Baptiste D'Souza, a Goan, Mr. Sardesai, again a Maharashtrian, and Mr. R.K. Pitambar, definitely not from Punjab." Then he added, "Now look at the other company. The chairman of the company and the directors and the senior executives below are all from Gujarat." Mahindra obviously is a professional company, and if and when you rise there, you will know it will be strictly on merit. While if you rise in the other company, it may be because you are a Gujarati. I was struck by my father's wisdom and instantly followed his advice. I am glad I joined Mahindra's and embraced its professionalism and became part of its culture over the last 37 years. My only regret is that my father was not around when I joined the board of directors of Mahindra & Mahindra at the age of 43.